샛별
Assalamualaikum guys. Ohayo and welcome to day 2. So kita start our day morning. But I don't know whether this morning is early morning or just normal morning. Cantik. Bunga-bunga. So pretty, right? Our itinerary is very relaxed. Kita setakat jalan-jalan. So we're gonna go to Nakameguro Park to see some sakuras over there. So kita just pass by supermarket. Nama dia Olympic. Looks big also. Macam cantik ah. Just get back to our itinerary for today. Kita akan pergi ke Nakameguro Park to see catch some sakuras, hopefully. Cherry blossom, orang kata cherry blossom time kita sampai ni kat Tokyo dah habis kat penghujung. So we managed to get some sakura yesterday. Dia macam sikit-sikit lah, tapi sebenarnya pokok dia is all over the city actually. Dia bersepah. So after Nakameguro Park, we're gonna go to Shibuya and we'll just be at Shibuya the whole day, right? We're gonna eat, shop. It's pretty relaxing day today to enjoy Tokyo and Shibuya in total. This is our morning walk. This is what our morning walk looks like. See, we walk across the Olympic. Now, just walking through the neighborhood. As you can see, building dorang very boxy, earthy colors, calming. Very nice architecture. Tadi we are walking to the train. So apparently tadi ada train crossing. Oh, there's a train crossing. Is it? Yeah, there's a train crossing. You guys are in luck. Alright, let's go. So cool. Train is coming, train is coming, train is coming. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nice. And the barrier is up. Can cross again. So we are crossing here. Oh, nice. Sini train je. Ya Allah, this is the train we're gonna take. Oh, kita kena pergi sana. Huh? Sana. Oh. Belakang. So the thing is functional lah. Laju kot. See the men are at work. Diorang buat servicing ke maintenance on the spot. Okay, we're gonna catch some 7 East. Kita dah second day belum lagi masuk pun convenience store. Neither a Lawson, nor a 7-Eleven or Family Mart. Oh, Lawson kita masuk sekejap. expected. Cherry blossom dah habis.
But I think dekat yang kita nak pergi Nagano tu semua tu nonton kan?
Dia Nagano.
Utara-utara ada.
Dia macam CP-CP je lah. Kita adalah sikit 2-3 pokok je nampak.
Which means nanti kalau kita jalan nampak.
But yeah, these are all your sakura punya pokok. Diorang dah menghijau.
No rezeki.
It's okay. Hopefully kita ada rezeki untuk nampak Fujisan. Datang jauh-jauh kita nak jumpa Fujisan.
Tak nampak Fuji. Sampai mimpi harapan tu.
Alright. Cantik kan building dia? Cantik.
Penuh kat mesin.
Ya, dah.
Bayangkan orang ni suka tu dia je bila dekat tengok.
Wow, in the middle of nowhere ada satu restoran. Restoran ni tak nak cari kopi
Tak nampak lagi.
Alright, we are in luck. Dapat Sakibaki Sakura. Sebelah sana. Sorry, Itu dia. So pretty. We're gonna walk, take a bus to Shibuya, have lunch, and that's the rest of our day in Shibuya. Ramai. Gila mana? Cantik dia tengah cross.
来ました。振り込みました。
Alright guys, kita dah sampai di Shibuya. Kita nak pergi makan di Gyomon Scramble. So inilah Shibuya Crossing. Just cross the Shibuya crossing di Shibuya, Japan. Going down terpaksa kita pergi turun bawah. Hello. Hello. 4 person. Yes. Alright. Arigato.
Sumimasen, welcome to
Wow. Nice wall gravity. Hey, gravity. Graffiti of a dragon. What?
Dia
Dia cakap Singapore.
Singapore level 3.
Aduh.
Singapore below Malaysia, below.
Bilo.
Aduh. Highest apa? Highest. No, spicy. Number 10. Japanese.
But I think I'm Japanese. I'm going to order level 2. I'm Japanese.
Oh, you're Japanese.
So maybe level 1.
Ya, husband level 1 je.
Mana ni? Mana apa?
Ya, ambil apa?
spicy or spicy?
Mana semua? Steam and then
Okay, we're gonna decide. And then food will come now. So we are having the gyukatsu first. Matang kan?
And also this one. I don't eat.
Tak apa. We have pickle, vegetable pickle. Then we have seaweed, wasabi, ebi prawn, rice, and sweet sauce. Ini apa? Two different meat or what? Ini apa? Oh, lain lah. Haris. Spicy. Level 2. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Cantiknya.
Separuh je kan? Mak.
Mama dah kenyang.
Pakai beef.
Cukup space tak?
Cukup.
Mana dia ambil?
Alright.
Boyo.
Masih dulu. Aku boleh campur dengan
Dia tak makan seaweed. Bismillah.
Ya, mak cakap birthday soup.
So we have ready ramen, non-spicy. It's nice having spicy gyoza.
satu mak ya, dah masak. Ada warna ni.
All looks good. Bon appetit.
Kita mungkin dia nak
Itadakimasu.
terus gimana?
Yo, we are here. Orang kata datang Shibuya dan datang sini is a must place to go to. Dia datang cari souvenir, apa yang patut dibeli, semua ada di sini. And they even have a halal section over here. Nice, right? Yo, kita baru lepas solat di Cebu Shibuya. So dia dekat tingkat 1, first floor. So kalau you kat mana ni, kat lift dia, belok kanan. Oh salah. Yalah, belok kanan. Then jalan terus, nanti you akan nampak ini Muslim prayer. You nampak this sign here, prayer room. So nanti you sampai sini, kalau yang wanita nak buka selendang, adjust everything, semua dia ada macam pintu yang bilik yang ada pintu. Kalau you okay, wanita, kalau you okay, semua okay, nak solat, just ada langsi, dia boleh just straight away solat. Nah, tak just silap lah tu langsi. Very nice. Kita nak review makan apa yang orang selalu cakap lah ni benda. Boleh beli kat 7E. Kita kononnya nak makan kat Nakameguro Park tu, sambil tengok sakura kan, feeling kali sakura makan. Okay, so ini kita makan, nama dia sugar butter sand free tea. Alright. So biskut dia ada macam, it's a sandwich, right? So kita cuba.
Macam aiskrim kan? Mak kata macam aiskrim. Okay.
The biscuit is like macam cracker gitu. Nampak?
Aiskrim ni apa?
Cracker gitu. Habis tu dia manis-manis kat biskut dia. Ada
Souvenir pun bagus.
sugar on the biscuit. Then I think I'm not too sure what's that. Dia bukan cream, tapi dia bukan marshmallow. But it's nice. And it's Muslim friendly. It's not per se
based on
halal,
ingredients.
but ingredient is Muslim friendly. Makan, bismillah. Alright. Berapa
Nama tu
590. Dah.
Satu yen. Satu yen. Satu yen. 5.
About 6 18.
3
How? So it's just cream, strawberry and crepe.
I nak makan buah tapi sayang sebab ada dua je.
Hah?
Sampai
Dua je
dia
kan buah
ada
dia?
Dalam je ada kan?
Betul ke?
Ya. Yeah.
Okay, I makan.
Om.
Dalam tu tak ada lah. Only cream.
Too bad lah.
Aha lah.
Dia jual dengan strawberry jam tu.
Dalam krim je.
Cream je.
No, it's just whipped cream. Patutnya ada es krim kan tadi?
Tak, ni tak
Tak,
abang
ni
dia
tak ada ais krim.
Tak ada ais krim ke tak?
Patutnya one week lah.
Macam mana?
Okay.
Nasi krim lah.
Krim je.
Krim kan?
Makan.
Memang krim.
Okay. We are struggling.
Mana?
Kita cuba makan
Sebab dia lembut sangat.
sama-sama dulu, okay?
Mana nak makan ni? First, we cut it in half. Oh, panjang macam ni. Macam dia masak tu. Wow.
So, macam itu, nampak?
Then you dice it.
Dok, tak, tunggu 1 minit. Kasih jatuh.
Yeah, for 1 minute.
Hi guys, kita bawa room tour di Ohana Jaya. Okay, tempat ni dekat dengan Ohana Jaya train station lah. So, masuk-masuk ada recess area untuk you letak you punya kasut, shoe rack. Dan kalau nak letak luggage kecil pun boleh kat sini. Ini diorang guna untuk for them. Dan masuk-masuk kita pergi ke tandas is on our left. So, diorang ada blower, toilet lights, and of course in Japan there's always bidet there. Nice. Boleh letak barang. Then after that we proceed on our right of the recess is tempat kita punya washing machine, and then alhamdulillah our host detergent also. Then we have our shower area, bathtub dia semua complete, mirror, we just finished bathing, shower curtain. Okay, inilah tempat kita mandi. Satu, we go to the next space whereby this is the living area come dining area, tempat dia. And then we have a small kitchenette, complete set. Kita ada fridge, microwave, kettle, your utensils, cooking utensils, plates, hood ada, dan tempat bakar belakang tu, toaster, yeah. And of course your trash, remember to segregate them accordingly. We have 2 rooms to this place, one on the right and one on the left. So kita masuk left one dulu. So kat sini dia provide 3 futon, so macam 3 orang boleh tidur. So 3 futon. On top the futon dia kasih mattress, not queen size, 2 super single combine together jadi besar, 3 orang boleh muat. So nicely, you know, kalau you letak your mat sebelah-sebelah kan dia ada lubang kan, dia kasih macam this thing, jadi orang tengah tidur taklah rasa. And we have air conditioning for summer, and then balcony. So malam-malam kita buka lah sikit ni, kasih angin. Nah, ada kasih gala, a few hangers, and tempat sepit-sepit gantung. Masuk dia, tadi lupa nak cakap, masuk you can put your luggage space. This is a luggage space there, very spacious. Orang kasih ironing board. Then we off to the next room. On the right kita ada just nice a space here. So here is another access area. Yeah, sepit-sepit dan kasih cantik, best. Rumah ni macam complete, just nice what we needed. It's just orang kata space untuk solat tu pandailah buat sendiri. But yeah, we make do. Alhamdulillah. All good.